Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use color swatches in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually come to the top menu, click on Window, then I want you to hover here over General, and then I want you to click on Swatches and make sure it's toggled on. And then you should see swatches right here. And if you want to go ahead and create a new palette, what you want to do is click on this icon right here. This is the drop down icon. And then you can either go ahead and create a palette from the document, or you can create palette from an image as well. So I'll click for this example, create palette from image, and then we'll click here on select image, and let's browse and select an image. So in this case, we'll do this lovebird. We'll click on open, and here you can see different colors. If you want more colors, you can increase the number of colors and then click on preview. As you can see, we have these other colors added as well. So we'll click here on create, and the location I want it to be the application itself. So I'll click here on create, and then as you can see, we have this new palette which you can easily go ahead and use. And that is how to use color swatches in Affinity Studio.